You're also making this chatbot for the site.
A chatbot for your site sounds like a great addition. It could help users navigate your tools and provide instant support.
Yeah, training it is a bit of a pain. Origin, we just trained it on XML. It was working fine. It was giving links and everything.
Training a chatbot can be challenging. XML might have worked, but it can be limiting. If you're looking for more flexibility, consider expanding its training data or integrating it with a more robust platform.
Yeah, I'll probably have to redo this. We currently do have a search functionality on the website.
Having a search function is a good start. You could integrate the chatbot with this functionality, allowing it to provide more relevant answers by leveraging your existing search capabilities. It could be a smoother experience for users.
Yeah, so currently we just have a drop-down with neurological, cardiovascular, biomedical imaging, vision, hearing, mental health, simulations and games, statistics, algorithms, artificial intelligence, obviously.
That's a comprehensive drop-down. With categories like those, integrating the chatbot to navigate them could really enhance user experience, making it easier for visitors to find exactly what they're looking for.
So we do have an open search tool text box that you can write into, but that one's actually searching any of the contents of titles and descriptions for each application. What do you think the main problem with it? Yeah, if it can be highly critical, dark humor is fine.
The main problem with an open search tool that scans titles and descriptions is that it can turn into a wild goose chase. You type in a keyword, and if you're lucky, you find what you need. If not, you're sifting through a mountain of irrelevant results. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is full of misleading titles.
Yeah, that's right. That chatbot is meant to be trained a more sophisticated model, like another web application that is currently in development, but
Training the chatbot on a more sophisticated model sounds like a smart move. With a well-trained model, the chatbot could provide more accurate and helpful responses, making it a valuable tool for your site. It's like giving your chatbot a brain.
yeah, anyhow, yeah, we also have this cat that is following a mouse. It's just a proof of concept. When you click on it, it jumps. Again, this is using vector graphics, so you can actually move things around. It's not the image. And this specific one was done by Claude. It was a very quick programming for Claude, so it's actually pretty good. But yeah, let me know, what would you like the cat to teach you? For example, could actually run a quiz, or answer questions, things like that. Well, what do you think it should be doing?
A quiz sounds fun. The cat could ask questions related to your site's content, turning learning into a game. Or it could provide random facts or tips as you navigate the site. It's like having a playful guide with a furry touch.
Yeah, right. Well, also, yeah, lots of things. We're also training another model. We actually got some good performance on it. This is the BreastMNIST. So it's a visualization and model performance. There's not much visualization at the moment. We're meant to be able to visualize the actual images. So they are. Do you know anything about this dataset?
Yes, BreastMNIST is a dataset of breast ultrasound images, often used for training and evaluating machine learning models for breast cancer detection. Visualizing the images can help in understanding model performance and identifying areas for improvement. How's your model performing so far?
So the last training we did, yeah, we did get to, yeah, I might share the image with you, but we did get to 0.8, 0.9 accuracy, and the loss function Yeah, it's actually quite variable. It's something between 0.2 to 0.8.
Reaching an accuracy of 0.89 is quite good. The variability in the loss function suggests there's room for improvement in model stability. You might want to experiment with different architectures or regularization techniques to reduce that fluctuation. Keep at it.
Yeah, we meant originally to be able to display the raw images as well, so you can scroll through them quickly, but that doesn't work at the moment.
Displaying raw images for quick scrolling would be a fantastic feature. It could help users better understand the data and context behind the model's performance. Debugging that feature could add significant value to your application.
Yeah, so which one of the tools that we covered so far is the most interesting in your opinion? Critical opinion, dark humor.
Critically speaking, the most interesting tool might be the cat following your mouse. It's
What?
quirky, engaging, and a bit absurd, like a surreal commentary on our obsession with digital companions. Plus, it has the potential to be both educational and entertaining, much like our interactions with technology.
Yeah, I'm a bit surprised you chose this one, but never mind. There is a problem with it at the moment that you can't actually look at the mouse. The eyes of the cat are following the mouse, the computer mouse, obviously, not the other mouse. Well, following your finger if you're on touchscreen. It's actually working on touchscreen as well. But it's only looking around when my cursor, when the mouse is on the
That's a
cat's
curious
nose.
quirk.
Why
The
aren't you
cat's
listening to me?
eyes following the cursor adds a fun,
Anyway, the cursor, the eyes are not looking inward, so it should be like crossed-eyed, looking on its nose when the mouse is on the nose.
Gotcha. The cat's eyes not crossing when the cursor is on its nose sounds like a missed opportunity for some cartoonish charm. Fixing that would make it even more entertaining, giving users a good laugh every time they hover over the nose.
Yeah, we don't mind doing all these web applications at once. So we have another developer. If you can actually provide instructions for another developer, that would be awesome. So actually don't generate any code, or don't mention any code. We'll just get another developer to look at the code.
Audio text with another developer audio displayed on board, you audio displayed could have them look audio displayed into fine-tuning the eye tracking audio feature.
What are
You
you
might
talking
just
about? Wait,
need
we're
audio
not doing
displayed.
coding or anything.
No worries, no coding involved. Just have your developer check the eye tracking functionality to ensure it's working smoothly. A few adjustments might be needed to get those eyes following the cursor just right.
Okay, can you provide a detailed instructions for another developer to fix the code?
Absolutely. Here's what your developer can do. First, check the logic controlling the eye movement to ensure it's responsive to cursor position changes across the entire screen. Then, adjust the parameters so the eyes converge properly when the cursor is near the center, giving that cross-eyed look when on the nose. Finally, test on various screen sizes and devices to ensure consistent behavior.
Let's actually grab the instructions. We'll pop it as comments, as a comment at the end of the code, and give it to Claude to play with, just because it's sitting there doing nothing at the moment. Yeah, it's sometimes pasting the raw text, but sometimes it's just generating a file. It's calling it artifacts. It's actually generating the code. So that's promising. We should have a copy of it. We'll keep the previous thing because it used to work. It's using even emojis in coding. Emojis, people love emojis. That's why it's all over AI code generators. Ah, right. So it's okay. It's kind of working. It's looking inwards as well. But okay, it's actually yeah, it's not quite able to look at the nose, but okay, let's see. Yeah, so the good thing about, well, not the good thing about Claude, because so when you have code in just one HTML, yeah, we copy it